Hey everyone, check out this mid-century modern Bitcoin space heater by Sense Bellum. Look how crazy this looks. Control board on the side, looks like an Antminer control board. Got pretty good airflow. You can see some of the internals there. But this wood looks really sick, really beautiful. Mid-century modern Bitcoin space heater. Project page, there you go, some QR codes if you want to scan it. It features a Bitmain S9, Brains OS, and Noctua fans, a custom CNC plywood, and acrylic enclosure. Wow, that's really sick.